What's up everyone? Welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
BNGO, CHEK and NOW JAGX, some of these biopharma penny stocks are going insane. Investing in penny stocks is always risky. Investing in penny stocks that have already gone up massively is even riskier. However, analysts think that this stock can go up to $5. So let's take a deeper look into what this company actually does. So JAGX or Jaguar Health focus on developing novel sustainably derived gastrointestinal products on a global basis. Napo Pharmaceuticals, which is their subsidiary, focuses on developing and commercializing proprietary human gastrointestinal pharmaceuticals for the global marketplace from plants used traditionally in rainforest areas. They currently have 2 products in their pipeline. Mytesi is FDA approved and provides relief of non-infectious diarrhea with adults with HIV that are on antiretroviral therapies. Mytesi is in development for multiple possible follow-on indications, including diarrhea related to targeted cancer therapy, orphan drug indications for infants and children with congenital diarrhea disorders and short bowel syndrome, supportive care for inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and for idiopathic functional diarrhea. So Mytesi is sort of targeting all these diarrhea-related symptoms of these various diseases. The second product that they're working on is called Canalevia. I'm probably saying that wrong, but this medicine is used for chemotherapy-induced diarrhea in dogs. They estimate that in the United States there are approximately 6 million annual veterinarian cases of acute and chronic watery diarrhea in dogs. This makes diarrhea one of the most common reasons for veterinary office visits and the second most common reason for visits to the veterinary emergency room, yet there are currently no FDA-approved medicines for the treatment of diarrhea. So the company looks like they're legit to me, with one FDA-approved medication and another one in the pipeline. They've also just received $6 million in royalties. This is what their CEO had to say in a recent press release. "We are pleased to have secured this additional $6 million to fund the pipeline opportunities for Mytesi, a transaction which does not result in any dilution of our shareholders and requires no royalty payments for at least 18 months and potentially as long as 24 months. Right now, before I tell you what the analysts are saying, I need you to do one thing. If you like the video so far, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Right, so the analysts are saying that it should go up to $5. One of the reasons behind this could be that Napo, which is a subsidiary of Jaguar Health, could potentially be merging with the SPAC. Napo EU, a subsidiary the company plans to establish in Europe, focusing on development of crofelemer for diarrhea related to long hauler post-COVID-19 recovery patient syndrome, is a target of a potential merger with the SPAC, which is targeting investment between 20 million and 50 million euros. Napo EU will have an exclusive license to crofelemer for Europe, excluding Russia, the company's novel proprietary drug, and obligations to develop crofelemer for the indications of inflammatory diarrhea and HIV-related diarrhea. Now, the risky side here is of course their balance sheet. The debt to equity ratio is considered high and they have less than a year's cash runway. But they have secured recently $6 million in royalties, so I don't know how much of that goes to the balance sheet, but their balance sheet isn't the best. So guys, do let me know what you guys think of this stock. Are you investing? Are you staying away from it because it's too risky? Personally, I'm going to start a very small position, but I'll have a stop loss. I think it could shoot up to $5 just because of the price targets set by analysts, but I won't be surprised if it has a big correction, so I'll have that stop loss in place. Anyways guys, have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.